Opening the gates to new levels of luxury is Marvel Cascada, yet another landmark from Marvel Realtors, this time at the prime location of Balewadi, the international IT hub in western Pune that's just a couple of hours drive from Mumbai. The 5 towers of Marvel Cascada combine unparalleled technological refinements with uber-luxurious lifestyle amenities. These are living spaces for those who appreciate smart living, for the connoisseur with unmatched tastes and standards, for the global citizen. Pools, lawns and gardens abound to surround you with serenity. Freedom for the kids and security for the grown-ups, all taken care of here. Savor the best life has to offer, whether it's classy entertaining or pursuing a healthy regimen. The unique floating clubhouse with a state-of-the-art gym and world-class spa is designed to energize and invigorate. The architectural vistas of the building facades combined with the Zen-inspired landscaping serve to heighten the air of harmony in the complex. The projecting terraces and practical recesses harmonize all the living and non-living spaces, ensuring light, ventilation and especially privacy. While all the apartments open out onto breathtaking views, the interiors have been designed to surpass the best international standards. Technology has been harnessed to provide a high level of convenience and luxury. A haven where you can indulge every whim of your family, friends and guests. As a host, you can impress your visitors with a home that exudes superior quality, immaculate finish and elegant styling. Here there is something for everybody. Everybody who wants a home with all the conveniences modern technology can offer. These well-planned, relaxing spaces incorporate the very latest in lifestyle elevating ideas so that you enjoy life the way it should be lived. All this is an effort to delight the techno-savvy generation, a generation which is discerning and demanding and expects nothing but the best in every area of life. Intelligence at work and at home will surely elevate your life. Automated apartment management systems which include touch screens and fingertip remote controls for light, temperature and even security make this your safe and happy haven. Smart living redefined at Marvel Cascada.